Hello everybody and welcome to the channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila and these are a couple of things that I've been doing lately off camera, and I decided to do a little video, a small video with Knit With Me. And this is, for example, is a hairband. As you can see, it's stretchy, it's in beautiful purple color, and this is the back. As you can see, the stitch has been done very nicely, very carefully done. It stretches quite well on the hair, on the head. And I am also doing, apart from this headband, I'm also doing a hat. This is a hat which is the one that I'm working on at the moment currently, and I hope you can enjoy watching me doing so. I love knitting. It's such a calm and peaceful kind of hobby to have, craft to have. I love it. I love also how this hat is turning out to be. I think it's very nice. First of all, the color helps. The color is so beautiful. Have a look at this beautiful design. It's like pearls. It's like drops of water. As you can see, it's very airy. It's almost like you can see through the pattern. I love it so much. I've chosen this pattern for my hat because I thought it would be wonderful to make something so beautiful, so dear to me, and the color being so pretty as well. I think even if the pattern wasn't as amazing, I think the color would just help any pattern, any simplest pattern, to work out, to work through very well, because the color is just so stunning. And at the moment I'm really enjoying doing this hat. I will finish possibly today, and we'll make a couple of more videos of how it looks at the end, so you can have a look and enjoy. I love this color, this particular yarn. It's stunning. This is how looks the back of the hat, the underside, which is not too bad. By the way, the yarn that I'm using is acrylic, so it's it will not going to give any allergy if you were to sweat a little bit, like around your forehead as you wear it, or doing sports in this hat. It would just not give you any allergy because it's acrylic, you see. The wool, the natural wool natural fur derived yarns would just give you allergy and itchiness to the skin, which I don't like, and that's why I usually go for acrylic yarn, which is better and nicer to the skin or against the skin, because it doesn't give you any allergic reaction. And this is exactly that, something that is just nice yet warm, but not too warm, like wool, like natural wool, and doesn't give you any skin reaction, which is good. So that's why I've chosen it for the hat, and I'm really glad that I've chosen this yarn. And as you can see, it turns out to be very nice, and the design is stunning, the pattern is stunning, and I think it's beautiful. I love it. I hope you love it too. This yarn has 2 threads, as you can see. 2 threads, you see, 2 threads together, woven together, and I think it's a good thickness for size 4 needles, which I'm using at the moment in this hat. So please subscribe and enjoy watching my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Love you.